Okay, here we are. Let's try this again. Maybe I fixed my issues. Looks like my mic's live this time. What up, Steve-O? All right, tell me we're okay. Sorry, guys. I'm good. Just busy with Discord and everything else. Launching the new software. So, what do we got? We got Dow's down to 1160. So, in front of us, again, is a Wyckoff wave chart. Blue arrows marked on our short sells. We expect lower. We were just due for some type of correction. Hold on a second, guys. Probably need to tell Twitter we're live again. Let me try that real quick. Let's try that. Hold on one second. All right. So again, let's go back over SPY real quick. We showed all these technometers last few days have been extremely overbought. We was at 54 on the SPY technometer. You can see down the lower right. And currently we're 47.07. Get rid of that real quick. So once again, we sold short on the 3rd and the 5th. So it looks like finally we've turned things down here. So I still expect lower on the general stock market, higher on bonds. Here is the TLT. You can see here we're at 48. We're not overbought. I would expect bonds to continue higher while stocks continue lower. Let's go back to the crypto software. What up, Lloyd? Hold on one second. Okay, there's the crypto software. Again, in front of us, Bitcoin USD, 1-day Bitfinex. You can see technometers at 40. 50s a sell, 38s a buy, as long as price action volume confirms. Carrie and I are good. Junkie, appreciate it. You can see here now that we haven't loaded all these symbols. We're doing that today, and I got a meeting in here in an hour with developers. But you can see that we can go to Bitcoin / USDC. That is consolidated volume from over 100 exchanges. That's going to load our custom indices, OP Force technometer. Plus we have all the RSIs, on balance volume, every other type of indicator that you're used to. So hopefully this software will get launched shortly. So if we take all reporting exchanges on Bitcoin USD, you can see our technometers at 42.89 in the lower right. Volume has not followed this rally. You can see here the dark line that's highlighted. Volume did not follow the rally. I've been really concerned with it. I think we have lower to go, and I think stocks go lower. So I think Bitcoin will try to catch up on the downside here. Would love to see something below 8,600 low. We had back here on May 24th. And then maybe I'd buy something for a bounce. So not sure of that yet, but that's what I'm looking at. If we bring up, let's bring up Ethereum, USDT, Binance. We're going to be able to bring up majority of coins once we get the software exactly how we want it. You can see Ethereum USDT, 1-day Binance, 45.5 on the technometer after giving a sell back here when we was around 246, 247. So again, I think there's more downside. We'll be looking for that. If we look at, hold on, now we're breaking 9,500. If we look at Ethereum USD consolidated, let's see what the technometer is over there. This consolidated volume, I think, is going to be a game changer. I don't know anybody that's got consolidated volume from 100, 200 reporting exchanges. So really excited about that. 47.58 on the technometer. So again, way more downside ahead. Let's look at Litecoin real quick. Litecoin USD, Coinbase. This technometer is more oversold because you'll see here the OP has been drastically underperforming. If we take this here, you can see as Litecoin rallied, the OP did not. And we actually just hit a new low on the OP today as we're talking. That keeps the technometer around 42.3. Again, not oversold. I think there's more downside here. I could see this 39.37 level broke. So again, I've got ADA here. So currently we can bring up ADA USD on XMO, ADA USDT on Bittrex, and we can bring up ADA USD consolidated. Let's look at that real quick. I like this chart here. I mentioned that in our Discord. There you can see nice up move in the OP, which is volume. Then a nice little pullback here. Same thing here. We had a nice probably jump up across the creek. We're having a pullback. Technometer is 34.2, major oversold. That's going to be one that you're going to be watching ADA here. If we get a buy on Bitcoin, I think you want to definitely do some ADA. Here's ADA USDT, Stevo, consolidated. Same type of thing. We got technometer 40.5. Again, not oversold, but coming there. And you've got the OP coming off the highs here pretty dramatically, why really price is still holding. So I think ADA is one that you're going to want to pay attention to. Let's look at DGB USD consolidated. Again, guys, the software is just, we're not final with it, but we're trying to get there. You can see the OP hit a new high today. Technometer is overbought. So I would expect a little bit of pullback in Digibyte. But it just came off a buy 3 days ago when we were down here at this 0.016435 level. So Digibyte also is one I think can continue higher. Again, if you want, I think Nick just put up the Patreon. Check that out for $40 a month. If you just want stock ideas, it's probably better to be at wyckoffsmi.com at the Patreon for $40 a month. Either one of those. But definitely, if you want crypto, you want to do the patreon.com link, learn crypto. So again, I think stocks are headed lower. Dow's down 1175. We are short. I got a mutual fund strategy where I'm short stocks, long bonds. That's working out well today. And again, on Bitcoin, I still think we have lower ahead. So here's Bitcoin USDT Binance. Let's see if that'll calculate. 46.3 on the technometer, nowhere near oversold. 95.43 on Bitcoin. So again, I still think we're going to take out some downside levels here. So I see lower. What's up, Dennis? And we're waiting for that. Then I would guess Nick will probably be on some alts at that time too. He's had a few here that he's made some money on. I've been pretty quiet this month with his sideways action, looking for lower, and then trying to pick a top in the stocks. So hopefully we'll get these issues. Looks like my feed is fine this time, so I think I figured out the issues. So I've been waiting for the new software to get launched to really try to go live more, because I'll be able to bring up majority of coins anybody requests, and we can really dive into some Wyckoff, and then hopefully throw some Elliott Wave roadmaps on some of the stuff like we do for Discord. But we haven't been as live as much on YouTube because we've got the large Discord that keeps us busy. And also I do manage money on the stock and crypto side. If you're interested, it's a private client group. Go to learncrypto.io to private client group for the cryptos. Email me tbutterfield@wyckoffsmi.com if you have any questions. That's all I really got. Stocks lower, Bitcoin lower, other coins lower. Let's look to buy some type of dip, but I think we're definitely a few days off of that, and be prepared for that, because ultimately I think stocks are still going higher, and cryptocurrencies are going much, much higher. And when the software, again, I got a developers meeting here in an hour. The software for crypto should be able to be ready for subscribers. We got to build out my database a little bit better. We're having some issues, but then the software is going to be available for subscriptions. So excited about that. We're not going to charge an arm and a leg. We're going to make it affordable for people. What's up, Johnny? Johnny, let's see. We got anything on EOS here? Here's EOS USD consolidated volume. What's up, Dead Rabbit? We are good. All right, here's EOS. You can see here OP's really been in a downtrend. We do have a 39 on the technometer after giving us a sell up there at that 280 level. So be nice for this 258 level to break. And then EOS could be one again that you'd want to buy when we give a buy signal or when we buy Bitcoin. That one doesn't look too bad here after giving us a sell up there around the 280 level. Another one that was looking halfway decent, NEO, just came under some pressure. The chart in general does not look too bad. After a little bit lower, we're at a 41 on the technometer. You can see the LP drastic downtrends while price is holding. So NEO could be interesting as well here soon. So that's all I really got. I'm really busy here with everything moving and trying to get the software ready. So sorry for the earlier issues. Appreciate the support, and we'll be on here a lot more moving forward. Thank you.